Hello, in front of me I've got XIAOMI Poco M4 Pro. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning let's enter settings. And now go to passwords and security. Enter screen lock. Confirm with your current password, and as you can see right here we've got three types of password: pattern, pin and password. Select pin firstly. Now let's select password. And in the end, pattern. Now we can go to fingerprint unlock, and our fingerprint sensor is right here. Simply tap it multiple times, adjusting the fingerprint position. When it's done, we can go to face unlock and simply scan your face in this area. And now when my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.